We are from group 15. This is our making video. Our title is Dinosaur Air Hockey. This is our team members' name. When making GDD, I mainly search for information in the internet, such as how to write the game vision and objective. I also have discussed the flow chart of games with my teammates. This is the full flow chart of the games. What's special of our game is we have power-ups. Players can collect the power-ups in the maps and use the short-term skills to defend their opponents. This is the power-up shapes. Function is to increment player speed so they can move their character faster. This is point booster to increase players score by 5 points. And we have used Proton Unity Network and Tinated as our game system. This is the dashboard for Proton Phone, and this is the dashboard from Tinated.net. What is the replayability of our games? Yes, we have different game modes, different game difficulty and leaderboards. It can make players have a strong interest in our game and also improve the replayability of players. And art and visual of our games. This is the player characters, button in games, and forest map that we use in the games. This is the audio list that we use in the games and the functionality. For the technicals, this is the tools and technology used in this project. We use Unity and version is 2021. IDE is Visual Studio. Programming language is C#. Graphic and art tools is Photoshop, Illustrator, and Blender. Audio tools is YouTube or Adobe Audition. VCS is GitHub. And the game development framework and libraries is 3D Unity and Proton Pool. Testing and debugging tools is Visual Studio. These are our development schedules and development and rules.
In the making of the game Dinosaur Air Hockey, the tools that I mostly use is Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and also Audition. As you can see here inside the workspace of my Adobe Illustrator, these are the created visuals. First, we have the logo, the initial logo for the game, and the last agreed logo among team members. Then we have the two icons for the button levels. For hard and easy, we have the icon for leaderboard, the time attack mode, and the point score mode. Then we have the buttons for the character selection representing the dinosaur for the players to select. We have the Stegosaurus, the Triceratops, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Then we have the keyboard layout design for the instructions, control instructions. Then we have the layout for the timers, character names, and also score for the game scene. Then we have the button designs for the next button and other universal buttons that will be used inside the game. And we also have here for the verses inside the lobby scene. For the background, these are the created backgrounds inside Illustrator for the game scene. We have here the trophy for the leaderboard, the forest scene for the game menus, lobbies, and also this one for the start scene. The models is downloaded for free inside Polypizza. As for the sound, it's edited here inside Adobe Audition.
After the implementation of the previous tutorial had been integrated into this project, we had designed the power up progression by using the bolt prefab. The prefab is added with a script so that when the player hit the trigger collider of the prefab, then the speed of the player will be increased. This is the sound manager script. There are several of audio clips defined in the script. The audio clip would be called by using play sound function, and it is loaded from the resources folder, as all the audio clips are stored in the resources folder. We also had designed the game over panel to indicate that the game has ended. In the panel, it displayed a game over message, and it will be announcing the winner and the loser of the game. The panel also consists of two buttons, which are restart and return. If the user click restart button, then the game will be restarted. If the user click the return button, then it will disconnect the multiplayer setting and will be forwarded to the menu scene.